This is the Brix Hair Texture Powder for Men, a lightweight styling powder designed to add texture, volume, and a natural matte finish to your hair. What I like about this product is how easy it is to use. Just sprinkle a small amount onto dry hair, work it through with your fingers, and style as desired. It helps create a fuller, more textured look without leaving your hair feeling greasy. The matte finish is great if you prefer a natural appearance instead of a shiny look. Whether you're going for a messy, textured style or adding extra lift at the roots, this powder makes it easy to refresh your hairstyle throughout the day. It's also designed for long-lasting hold, helping your style stay in place while still allowing you to reshape your hair when needed. The compact bottle is convenient to keep at home or toss into a gym bag or travel kit for quick touch-ups. If you're looking for a simple way to add volume, texture, and a natural matte finish to your everyday hairstyle, the Brix Hair Texture Powder is a practical styling product to have on hand.